Hey all, Will Healy here, and I want to talk about holiday lights. We're really lucky in Cincinnati. We've got a bunch of different drive-through lights where they're timed to music, and the lights are programmed to music, like Coney Island down by the river between Kentucky and Cincinnati. We have the #1 nation's best Cincinnati Zoo lights, and those are really great, and they've got some shows and things that go on there. And then the WinterFest at Kings Island is just epic, absolutely incredible. The Eiffel Tower is completely decorated as a Christmas tree, and there's patterns and all kinds of time to music things going on at Kings Island as well, all over the park. And then like the Clifton Mill, where they have a light show and lights going on. And so, we were watching some of these this season, and I was talking with my girls and asked them, what skills do you think, they really liked the lights, but what skills do you think someone needs to be able to do this? And they came up with things like electrician and electrical engineer and coder and programmer and controls engineer. And I just thought that was really an interesting conversation we had and about how those skills relate to other careers. And so I maybe suggest to you, when you're out enjoying the lights, just ask, what kind of skills do you think you need to do this? And how does it relate to careers in manufacturing? Talk to their friends, talk to your kids, and spread the good news even with adults. So I just thought that was a good question. When you're out enjoying the lights, what skills do you think this took? And I think it'll lead to some great conversations and help us all evangelize about manufacturing here. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?